Okay, good afternoon everyone. So we're gonna proceed with the unboxing of this package that I got this afternoon coming from Magic Color PH. So yung nakasulat din sa box is yun din siya, Magic Color. Okay, so Magic Color. So basically ito yung ginagawa niya. So inia-align niya yung subframe mismo. Ina-align niya ng geometry ng subframe sa body mismo ng sasakyan. So, by default yata, ito ang nangyayari. So, ito yung subframe sa baba, ito yung body, ito yung bolt. So, makikita nyo hindi siya naka-align. So, ginagawa ni Magic Color daw is ito, itong dilaw. So, parang ina-align yung geometry. Okay? So, yun. Benefits, so nakasulat naman sa box ng mga benefits. So yan, basahin nyo na lang. Meron din silang Facebook page, so if you have some time to visit their page, just search Magic Color PH. So shout out to Sir Eli, siya yung kausap ko sa page nila, for accommodating my order for this item. Okay, so I assume this is came from Thailand or originated from Thailand because of the characters here, and it also says in the box, so made in Thailand. So Thailand made siya actually. Okay, and this is of course intended for just GK and of course our city GM6 with year model 2014 to 2019. So we can expect around 10 pieces of rings inside. So we assume F is for front, so 8 bolts or items, and dalawa sa likod. Okay, so let's proceed with the unboxing of this item. So these are sealed item. Binuksan na po ang kahon. Dahan-dahan at baka mahiwa. So, okay. Uy! May istorya pa sila sa loob. Basahin nyo na lang kung ano man yan. Okay. I think meron yata siyang kahaling tulad na available din dito sa Pilipinas. Actually, doon ako una nag-inquire before. So, ang page, Facebook page yata nila is yung Stiff Ring PH. So, I compared the two in terms of the price point. I think this Magic Color is a bit cheaper to the Stiff Ring na available. So, yun. So, tingnan nyo na lang din yung page nila, Stiff Ring PH. So, I think they have the same intended function for the sasakyan. Right? So, what you can expect inside, you have sticker. I assume this is a sticker. Okay. Sticker. You have the paddings. You have the toothpaste. No, joke. This hindi the toothpaste. So, parang ano yata to? Grease, I assume. So meron siyang ganyan. Put it there. Alright, so I guess this is the front part. Okay, so these are the rings inside, and it consists of 2 package inside, 2 plastic. So one is for the rear, and of course one is for front. Okay, so yan, dalawa sila. And ano ba? I think this is a manual of this one, how to installation guide. Wow, it's colored. Good. Right. So yeah, it's the Magic Color Honda HRV installation guide. Okay, so I'm not sure if the Honda HRV has the same layout in terms of the undercarriage. you know, in terms of the body and the subframe, kung magkakaparehas ba sila ng location, I assume. So yun. Okay, so yeah, I think may mga instructions naman dito kung saan siya ikakabit. Okay, so if you have further questions with regarding to the product, or with regards to the product, sorry, you can inquire or message their page. And also, if you have access to internet, so our very good friend Google is always available. Okay, so again, if you do not know, i-google mo boy or i-google mo girl. Okay, so yan. So bali yung dilaw, siya yung in-expect natin na mga rings na nandito sa packaging natin. They're nice. So I guess they are made of high grade steel. Pero lightweight siya. Hindi siya tulad ng mga steel na mga washer na malalaki. No. So I assume this is a lot stiffer or harder on those rings or washers that I mentioned earlier. But I guess they're gonna do the job, which is intended for our car, right? So what else inside the box? Wala na, yun lang. Okay, so yun. So let's see if we will have some time to have it installed, and hopefully we can also provide some videos and feedbacks with regarding to this product, if they're gonna meet the expectations and the the functions of this product in our vehicle. Right, so yun, abangan natin yun. So for the meantime, ito muna. So again, it's the Magic Color Fit and Firm. Okay, alright. Thank you guys. Stay safe and good day.